Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hey, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, guys, so in today's video, we're going to make butter cookies or butter biscuits. I don't know what you'd want to call them, but that's what we're making. So in a bowl, we're going to add 125 grams of butter and we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Then we're just going to mix everything together. So I tried mixing with a whisk, but then it wasn't working. That's why I changed to a spatula. So yeah, you just mix everything together up until the sugar and the butter is all mixed. Once the butter and the sugar is mixed together, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and you're just going to mix as well. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In a separate bowl, I measured 3 cups of flour, but here you see me adding just half of the mixture. So just add half of the mixture first and mix everything together. Whilst you're mixing the flour and the butter mixture, you get to a point where it's now becoming difficult to mix using the spatula. So that's when I changed and I started mixing with my hands. You can mix the butter and the flour with your hands from the start. It doesn't matter. You can just do what works for you. And then after that, you're going to add the remaining flour and you continue mixing again. Just mix. It's going to take a little while, but just mix so that the flour and the butter mixture is mixed together. After a while of mixing the flour and the butter mixture together, your dough should look something like this. It shouldn't be sticky, so when you pick it up with your hands, you see that it's not sticky. It doesn't have to be sticky. Once you get the correct consistency of the dough, just measure it into, I don't know, whichever size that you want, and place it on the baking tray. Repeat the process until you're done. Now for the fun part, we're going to create the design. So you have to dip the fork into the flour to avoid the fork from sticking onto the cookies, and you just dip and you create the design that you like. Once you're done creating the design, bake the cookies for 15 to 20 minutes at 180. Ta-da! There you have it, guys. The cookies are done. So I had so much dough. I repeated the process for about, I think I did it like 4 times, but it depends with how big your tray is. I enjoyed my cookies with a cup of tea. Comment down below with how you're going to have yours. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. My handle is @cooking with Rutendo. Thank you. Till we see each other next time. Bye.